Nowadays, a lot of hacker in Facebook, so we need to be careful to everybody. If nowadays, a lot of hacker in Facebook, so we need to be careful to everybody. If you receive this kind of notification, check this one, guys. If you receive that kind of notification, so that will be a hacker, please don't entertain, avoid this kind of message. So for example, I received this one. Within 48 hours, Leap, we are removing your profile. See more, recommended by Kabayan in Dubai. So upon checking on this, so when I check on this, guys, so it's showing like this. So that will be on my notifications. Okay, notification, your page like that. Okay, notification, your page, it a risk, your page is not complying with terms and conditions, and it's set to be permanently deleted. Submit appeal within 24 hours to prevent automatic deletion. To resolve this, follow the link provided in the comment box of this post. So failure to act will result in permanent loss of your page by Meta support. Guys, if you receive this kind of message that they are pretending as Meta support, so please avoid, don't pay attention, and please don't click on this link below, because if you click this link below, you need to submit ID and password, and then if you submitted, then they will take your profile or Facebook page and they will remove you as the owner, and you will lose your access on your account. So those people that new in Facebook, you need to be careful. Don't be panic if you receive this kind of notification, because this one, they are hacker and they are trying to take your Facebook page. So remember to this message, guys. So let us aware to this kind of message from the hacker, to avoid this kind of people, because a lot of, you know, when I check this one, when I check the account, this is Facebook page also with 0 followers. Guys, as you can see, the name of the page is 48 hours Leap, we are removing your profile, see more. So see, as you can see, DR page also, and they are trying to taking our page or profile. So we need to be careful. So if you are a new content creator, please educate yourself this kind of notification, so that it will not remove your profile or take your account. So if you receive this kind of notification, ignore this kind of message in your notification, and don't appeal or don't put your details like your ID and your password, because remember, Facebook are not asking our ID or our password. Facebook, if we have our violation, we can see it in our support inbox or our recommendation. Or sometimes we can receive notification, but that one is real from Meta support. But this one is fake and they are hacker. So I hope, guys, you understand, and please don't entertain. So thank you so much and have a nice day.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.